Number one, we have some complete and balance problems. C2H2 is burned. So this is a combustion reaction. So without even thinking about what it is I'm burning, I know I need to add O2 to form CO2 and H2O. Unless you're told differently, you're going to assume it's a complete combustion and that carbon dioxide forms. Okay, so when I balance in alphabetical order. I have 2 carbons on the left, so I'm going to need 2 carbons on the right. So I'll add a 2 here. I have 2 hydrogens on the left already and 2 hydrogens on the right, so hydrogens balanced. Do oxygen last. If I add up all of the O's on the right-hand side, I have from the carbon dioxide, 2 times CO2 is 4 O's, plus 1 O from water, giving me a grand total of 5. When you get a odd number, you can put 5 over 2. 5 halves times 2 is indeed 5. Another option for you is you can double everything to get rid of the fraction. And if you're asked to use the smallest whole number coefficients, this is what you would need to do. But you can see that the ratios stay the same because a ratio of 2 to 1 and a ratio of 4 to 2 is the same. Okay, my next reaction. Sodium reacts with sulfuric acid. Sodium is Na. Sulfuric acid is the same thing as hydrogen sulfate, and I need to memorize hydrogen sulfate, or I need to memorize sulfuric acid. This is a single displacement reaction. When sodium becomes a positive ion, it is going to then bind with the negative ion in sulfuric acid. In sulfuric acid, its positive ion is H plus 1, its negative ion is sulfate. Na becomes a plus 1. So when that combines with SO4 minus 2, we will get Na2SO4. And now the hydrogen is alone. You need to ask yourself the question, is sodium diatomic? No. Is hydrogen diatomic? Yes. So that gets a 2. Now balancing, it seems that the only thing I need to add to this reaction is a 2 there. My third reaction is aluminum chloride reacts with potassium phosphate. I have something with 2 parts reacting with something with 2 parts. This is a double displacement reaction. Aluminum is a plus 3, Cl is a minus 1, K is a plus 1, phosphate is a minus 3. So we will have AlCl3 plus K3PO4. On the right-hand side, the aluminum and the phosphate will bond, plus 3 and minus 3. And K and Cl will bond. Positive needs to come first, giving me KCl. This reaction will balance with, I believe all I need is a 3 there.